Tariq Kaham, Chaturana. On behalf of Delhi and Allahabad, I would like to thank our Bubagra for showing us the way for this journey. As of now, we are in Islampur, crossing over Bihar, and all this could be possible through the advice of Bubagra and our state government. So, thank you, Bubagra, and the government officials in charge. We thank them. Thank you.
Bulan no jotono hambai di tapurung no no subai jotono sak thalmung bai tintinoro di hambai ka sanggo within sekang apa 14 tarik ko sing 14 tarik bising singoro Kolkata ni West Bengal iknai singoro broadcast kelika tin chalin pore singoro content tongkha content ni paiman ulo tung tabuk tin test khamno result hor kan nekati jotono on bagai jotono hambai samukha tengah banglo hambai terasa pula hambai maru hingkai tengok khaiman bisingo teng bahagi phaga hingkai pula non hambai hingkai sini Maharaja tinti pramot honai kol tonglai tin Maharaja kan kai pula hambai kini coba mentai tai tengok tinti pramot honai coba mentai tinor sopai kan hingkai tengtak aban phasing ba tengtak aron hoite tini or pani sakar teng thakjak pani kon ba teng dikun mang pore teng tinor tai janjan logo alam lainai alam thani bahain khai Bubagarna hambai tai bin Bubagarna logi tongi beti subai tongai tongai sini takuk tindara Daniel Debor Ronald Debor mana Ronald Debor ma tai sin takuk Portus Debor ma kono berken hambai bang suka sumong tenggo logi tongan bagai subai tongan takuk subai tongan bagai tai araba jotonon hambai barba sekian hal khaitani khangkani tenggo suba thani kon bang hambai tai all tipramot thani taspe बहुत song je samukrai tongai rongna song sing specially bang hambai remo song tengah sate lagri subai tongan bagai tong khaitani tai ang koinai sini takuk debino ba hambai bar nai ano logiringan bagai teng Kolkata ni tipra khain puro jeng jeba be haika bahike teng haika bo totally bonok teng credit nai bonok hambai tong jotono teng tipra song tongan bagai tai nadi bahike yang
One thing, especially I would like to thanks to our Bubagra and to our Tipra Mother for helping us and for arranging everything from West Bengal from coming to West Bengal to Agartala, and they have arranged all buses and all for us. So specially thanks to all, and specially thanks to our Bubagra. Thank you, and long live Bubagra.
Long live Bubagra.
Hambai Bubagra.